limbe koni okang' mar piny owacho masiro wuodh gach reru kowuok e Tesendes GR ma Miritini nyaka chuny boma omedo kwan welo matimo limbe e chuny boma ma Mombasa. Kane giloso Mombasa e nyasi mar moko taya kaka ranyisi mar chakruok mar nyasi mag Disemba, gikoni okang' mar piny owacho chiwo thuolo ne ndeke mawuok e pinje ma oko pi achiel kachiel e alap ndeke ma Moi Mombasa bende omedo kwan welo. Ne gichiwo ranyisi mar kambi ndeke mar Rwanda Airways masani ochako ayanga wuodhgi mar pi achiel kachiel e alap ndeke ma Moi, ma giwacho ni e sechegi eki migawo mar limbe Mombasa medo yudo kwan welo.
Inaleta watu wengi sana ndani ya mji wa Mombasa. Na ukishaingia kwa mji wa Mombasa kuna mambo mengi ya culture, ya experiences, kuna the street food, kuna Mama Ngina. There's so much that you can experience within the city of Mombasa. So we are selling cultural tourism and we are selling the history of Mombasa and of course the people of Mombasa na ukarimu wao wote. We of course thank the county government with the meter gauge railway, the commuter railway. It has enhanced even the security within the city of Mombasa. I must also commend the Ministry of Environment for Mombasa County. The cities are much cleaner than they were in the past. So this makes it much easier for us to do city tours with our guests within Mombasa.
We have also surrounded ourselves with the reputation of having entertainment, which the town is missing out on.
When we say Mombasa received 2.5 million international travelers and only 8% were able to come directly, that tells you something, that our Mombasa International Airport was underutilized. More visitors, not only to Kenya, but to Mombasa directly. And when we talk about entry to Mombasa, means entry to Jumuiya counties. It's not about only destination, it's about the new experience. What is it that we are doing? As a department, we are saying that we are now moving from the old town. People coming here to look at the Fort Jesus beach, we're no longer doing that one. We want to see new experiences. What are we doing about the sports tourism? What are we doing about the culture tourism?
Achiel kuom jonene buch nek mar dhano magalamoro mituro gi jadolo ma coach Paul Mackenzie